Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. New channel it is old. So let's start with our new poem, which is on killing a tree. On killing a tree, which is coming in your final exams. It is of class 9 CBSE and CRT. So it is written by Give Patel. So today this chapter is hard because of its glossary, new words only. Otherwise it is very simple poem. So okay, we will start with our glossary, new words of this chapter. So let's start without wasting our time. So stanza 1. It takes much time to kill a tree, not a single jab of knife. So here jab of knife. So jab means to hit something forcefully. तो फर्स्ट आ जाता है हमारा जैब. जैब to hit something forcefully. Okay, to hit something forcefully. Will do it. It has jab of knife. Will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth. So consuming here, they have used this word in the other sense. So here the meaning is consuming. So here it means using fuel, energy. So here in this poem it is making sense that consuming means using fuel or energy. Slowly consuming the earth, slowly using fuel and energy of the earth. Rising out of it, feeding upon its crust. So rising out of it, here rising means move up, badna, and upon its crust. Crust, upper layer of earth. And absorbing. Absorbing means to take something in slowly. Sokhna. Absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide. So leprous means affected with leprosy. हिंदी में कहेंगे कुष्ठ ग्रसित. You know leprosy? Leprous means leprous. So leprous means affected with leprosy. So here is a leprous hide, sprouting leaves, and out of its leprous hide, sprouting leaves. So here sprout, you eat sprouts. To produce leaves, it means to produce leaves. I will write here, fourth new one. Sprout means bloom, to produce. To produce leaves. So now come to our stanza 2. Now stanza 2 is okay here. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So hack and chop. Hack means cut. Here hack has many meaning, but here they have used in the sense of cut. Hack. It is fifth. Hack means cut. In Hindi we can say cut adhat. What into 6. Hack and chop. Chop means cut in pieces. Chop karna. Okay. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal. Bleed means to lose blood. खून बहना. उसे कहते bleed. Bark. Hard outer covering of tree. You have seen trees like this. So they have some hard rough surface covering the whole trunk of tree. When it can also break, if you try to break it, pull it, it can be pulled out. So that is called bark. Bark of tree. When it is bark is only with tree. When in the case of plants there is stem and it has no outer bark. So okay, bark is that only. Hard outer covering of tree. Now heal means to become well again. Heal means to recover. Heal means to become well again. Okay. And from close to ground will rise curled green twigs. Close means near. Miniature bow, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. Expand means to increase in size. which if unchecked will expand again to former size. Former size means पहले जितने आकार में था, means जैसे सेम प्लांट, जैसे एप्पल का ट्री है तो एप्पल का प्लांट हमने यहाँ लगाया तो बड़े होके इतना ही आएगा, इतना साइज का, तो इसका मतलब फॉर्मर साइज पहले जैसे साइज में आ गया. ओके, अब स्टैंजा 3 में आते हैं. नो द रूट इज टू बी पुल्ड आउट ऑफ द एंकरिंग अर्थ. पुल मतलब रिमूव, एंकरिंग मीन्स इट इज मेड फ्रॉम द वर्ड एंकर. एंकर मीन्स टू होल्ड, रोके रखना. मैं लिख देता हूँ. एंकर मीन्स टू होल्ड. ओके, नाउ इट इज टू बी रोप्ड टाइट. रोप्ड मीन्स रोप, रोप मीन्स कॉर्ड, रस्सी से बांधना. एंड पुल्ड आउट, स्नैप्ड आउट और पुल्ड आउट एंटायरली. एंटायरली मीन्स completely. Out from the earth's cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. And now here expose मतलब disclose, मतलब सामने लाना. मैं लिख देता हूँ. Expose to disclose. Okay, now and now disclose. Sensitive means delicate. All we use sensitive in our normal chat. Sensitive means delicate. Okay, now come to our 1, 2, 3, 4th stanza. Then the matter of scorching and choking. Scorching means to burn slightly, झुलसाने वाली. Scorching, you know we say scorching heat of light. Yes, scorching sunlight. SCORCHING. Scorching. Scorching means to burn slightly. To burn slightly. 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 Okay. Now come to our next. In sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. So here choking means block breathe, blocking the breathe. Choking means blocking block breathe. Okay, this is K. Block breathe. Okay, here it is done. Take a rough copy or any copy and also try to write down with me so that you will not forget. Twisting and it is done. And here twisting means turn, and withering. Withering is made from wither. Wither is to become weak. Wither to become weak. Okay, to become weak. Here the poem is ended and all the new words I have covered in this video. Okay, on the next episode I will discuss all the grammar portions. What are the alliterations used in this, alliteration, personification, everything which is covered in this poem. Okay, now I am on a leave, so I cannot upload the many videos till night. So stay safe from coronavirus. We will meet you in next episode. Till then, thanks for watching.